Hey guys, week 6, day 3 questions. Question number 1. The article discusses a group of scientists who are studying an ecosystem. What ecosystem are the scientists studying? Is it A, the Great Lake ecosystem, B, the East River ecosystem, C, the Hudson River system, or D, the Erie Canal ecosystem? Paragraph 1, page 584 will help you with that answer. Or you can just look at the title. Question number 2. What is one effect zebra mussels could have on the river's ecosystem? Is it A, oxygen levels in the river could drop, B, the river's water temperature could rise, C, the river's water temperature could drop, or D, the amount of solids suspended in the river could rise? There's no paragraph. Page 586, look under dissolved oxygen. It's on the left or right-hand side. Question number 3. Read these sentences from the text. Based on previous studies, scientists estimate how much plankton the zebra mussels could filter out of the water. Phytoplankton and zooplankton are microscopic organisms that are two critical components of the river's food web. The numbers suggested that the impact of the zebra mussels on the river could be huge. What conclusion can be made about the amount of plankton zebra mussels could filter out of the water? Is it A, zebra mussels could filter out a very large amount of plankton? B, zebra mussels could filter out a small amount of plankton? C, zebra mussels probably could not filter out any plankton at all? D, zebra mussels could probably filter out a lot of zooplankton but no phytoplankton. Alright, question number 4. In an ecosystem, what can have an impact on the food web? Is it only biotic factors? Only some biotic factors? Only abiotic factors? Or is it both biotic and abiotic factors? Think about that one. Question number 5. What is the main idea of this article? Was it A, scientists have been studying changes in the Hudson River ecosystem since before the arrival of zebra mussels? B, phytoplankton and zooplankton are the most important parts of the food web in the Hudson River ecosystem? Is it C, scientists are studying biotic and abiotic factors in the Hudson River to see how zebra mussels affect the ecosystem? Or is it D, scientists are combining two approaches to collecting data from different factors in the Hudson River's water? Paragraph 2, page 586 will help with that one. Number 6. Read these sentences from the text. Scientists have combined two approaches to studying the river's ecosystem. A spatial approach in which water samples are taken from a transect of the river. A transect is a group of closely spaced locations along the river. This data helps scientists analyze how changes relate to geography. A temporal approach in which samples are taken from the same location 4 to 6 times from May through October. Based on these sentences, what does the word approach most nearly mean? Is it A, a nearby location, B, a reason to do something, C, a way to do something, or D, a measure of distance? Choose the one that you think best describes what the word approach means in those sentences. Question number 7. Choose the answer that best completes the sentence. Scientists were in a unique position to understand the impact of the zebra mussel invasion on the Hudson River. Blank, they had already begun collecting data on the river. So which word best fits? Is it A, however, B, because, C, as a result, or D, although? Put each of those words in the blank, reread the sentence, and tell me which one sounds the best to you. Question number 8. What are 3 biotic factors that scientists are monitoring in the Hudson River to study the impact of zebra mussels? Go to pages 585 and 586, and in the left-hand column of each, left-hand column of each of those pages, look under the biotic factors. The biotic factors are on the left side, and the abiotic factors are on the right side. And choose 3 biotic factors. Remember, biotic means living. Good job. I knew you knew that. Question number 9. One abiotic factor that scientists are studying in the Hudson River is the amount of dissolved oxygen. Describe how two different factors can impact the amount of dissolved oxygen in the river. So you're going to go to page 586, right-hand side, under dissolved oxygen, and read that paragraph and give me two different factors that can impact the amount of dissolved oxygen in the river. All right, question number 10. This is a really long passage. Why might it be important for scientists to monitor so many different biotic and abiotic factors as they try to observe the impact of zebra mussels? Use evidence from the text to support your answer. Okay, go to page 587, and on the right-hand side there's little pictures of some guys in a boat, and it says scientists at work. Okay, it's in the right-hand column. Read that little section, and it tells you what they're looking for. All right? If you have any questions, as always, holler at me through Google Classroom or send me an email. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.